Alright everyone, okay, this is the tricky one, okay, so I will make this one a permanent here, okay, I will install this one. It's not installed properly yet, so alright, so what I'm gonna do, make it a fix now, okay. Alright, so wait, that's what I'm gonna do here. Okay, I'm using this foam insulation there. Alright, make sure it's clean, and then the pipe here, the pipes, and then goes in here, and then ready for your glue. Okay, what's this? That's good. And now your glue. Wow. Then really quick, okay? There you go. And bring it out. Okay. Your glue. There you go. Step. Boom. Perfect. And then put something on top that's heavy, so the foam will be stable. All right. Something heavy, so just to prevent the foam will pop up a little bit and make the shower base up, but that one is really heavy. And the glue and the pipes, wow, perfect. It's right there. It's really perfect on the subfloor. Okay, one more here. Yeah, one more here, and then I will screw this, screw on the side. It won't move. I want stable, and you feel like when you step in here, you feel like it's really solid. All right, that's my trick there. Okay. And then here, yeah, this is heavy. This is a tile, floor tile. That's the one, heavy. And then screw here, screw there, and it won't move. Wow, very nice. It's stable now. That's good. Then after this, drywalling the ceiling. Still a lot of work. Okay. Then the wood here, everything on the wood on that the size of this 32 inches width. All right, wood here. because there's a glass door here, and then there's a bar holding to the glass, and then the roller keep pulls like opening and open and back. Okay, so make sure everything is solid. Everything is solid. Okay, everyone. Thank you for watching that. Thank you so much, everyone, and see you. Bye bye.